Hello friends, we are back again with a video on a topic which is quite trending nowadays, that is thermal fever screening solutions. So before we start the video friends, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon beside it to get the notification of our new videos. So friends, the best and the most accurate thermal solutions available in market is by the number one CCTV company in the world, Hikvision. And if you want to install this system in your premises, you can contact any representative of Aerrow Technologies. The contact details are mentioned in the description of the video. Friends, Aerrow Technologies are a trusted SI partners of Hikvision and are a reliable service provider in the field of CCTV installation and servicing. So coming back towards our topic, thermographic body temperature measurement cameras. They are of two types basically, turret camera which is also known as dome camera and bullet cameras. Basically friends, thermographic temperature measurement cameras are able to measure objects' temperature at a quite high accuracy and in the real time. It is capable to discover and track people with higher body temperature among the crowded public areas as well. So friends, as I have already told you, these are some of the key features of these cameras. High sensitivity sensor is there, high temperature accuracy is there, 3D digital noise reduction is there, audio alarm is there. Don't worry friends, we'll be showing you a real-time video as well, that how these cameras are going to work in your premises as well. Moving on to our next product, the handheld thermal camera. Friends, these are specifically designed for body temperature measurement. It's equipped with a 160 x 120 resolution thermal detector. It is easily capable to discover and track the people with higher body temperature among the crowded public areas as well. You just need to point it towards the crowd and it will be detecting the people who are there with the higher body temperature. The thermographic accuracy in these cameras as well is quite higher. It is having a 8 megapixel optical resolution, display fusion of thermal view and optical view, both it shows. Support live view on PC, and you can just transfer your data onto your mobile as well. It supports the color highlight alarm, that is, it will highlight the object with a higher body temperature and immediately will be responding with an audio alarm as well. Friends, these thermal imaging cameras can see through darkness and smoke as well. So low light is not a constraint for these cameras, Even without light also you can trace the temperature of an individual with the help of this camera. Now moving on to the thermal screening metal detector door solution. Friends, a person is just required to walk through it and it will be detecting the abnormal temperature if person is having. So friends, it's a touch-free, fast and accurate thermal screening solution. A LCD display is there which can give you real-time data and body temperature of every single individual which is just passing through it. And for management, you can easily take out the data for the day, like how many people have passed through it, how many times metal alarm was raised, and how many people with abnormal body temperature were found in the office. Now let's show you a real-time video of these products, which will make you understand the functioning of these products in a better way. Friends, now we'll be talking about Deep in Mind NVR. Basically, as the name suggests, it's a smart thinking network video recorder with a mind of its own. one that can analyze the content and make informed decisions for you. Like you can check in this video as well how smartly it is analyzing the temperature of the individual persons. As many vendors are providing fake Hikvision products, as demand of the Hikvision products are quite high in market, so be careful and deal with the authorized channel partners of Hikvision only. Thank you so much friends for watching our video. Do provide your suggestions and feedbacks about the video by commenting in the comment box.